Jeff Keenan here. One thing the Tesla Model 3 is missing is any way to secure the cargo in the frunk. So I went out and looked to see if I could find a cargo net that I could install there. Now this is 2022, so it's a refresh with the heat pump. So the frunk is more shallow. I did get the Tesla carpet to put in there, but I'll show you guys how I installed this cargo net. So there are already four bolts in the Model 3 frunk that you can use. These two rear ones, I 3D printed these hooks that you can hang bags and things on, and then there's two more on the floor. So I popped holes into the front carpet and then just used the bolts to secure this net. Now I'll put a link for this net below. It's actually from a boat, but it fits perfectly. I measured the frunk area, and you can secure your cargo, your food, whatever you're gonna put in there, so it's not rolling all around. Again, this is the cargo net for the frunk of the Tesla Model 3. Please remember to like and subscribe for more help with Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.